Welcome to our CostsFirst tutorial video series. In this video, we're going to be running you through the buyer's net sheet application. The first thing you want to do is in the dashboard, click the tab that says Buyer's Net Sheet. Once on this page, you'll find a number of fields and input sections where you can enter the relevant information. For this video, we're going to prepare a net sheet for Judy Scott. Judy is interested in buying a property at 1231 Upas Street in San Diego, California. So let's start with the sales price. In this case, Judy's interested in a property that costs $300,000. You enter the sales price and hit the tab key. Now that will return title and escrow based on the sales price, zip code, and the closing date. By selecting the loan type, CostsFirst will automatically calculate the down payments and loan amount. You can change any of the parameters of the loan, including interest rate and term of years, based on the needs of your buyer. Costs such as mortgage insurance will automatically be calculated based on the loan type selected. In order to get estimated tax prorations, you'll need to enter an annual property tax amount. In the middle section, the closing costs column, the title and escrow fees are brought into the fields and who pays for those fees in that particular market. In some markets, like this one in Southern California, the seller pays for the title policy, therefore it's zero. In another market, the buyer may pay for the title policy, so it's now going to show at a buyer cost. Or maybe it's negotiated and it's a split cost. So every market can be different. One key, when the drop-down shows split for title or escrow, that means the annual cost of the line item is split by multiple payers. The amount or percentage divided by those payers has been established by First American's escrow department in that market. All the fees brought in are brought in from the settings panel as discussed in another video. The default costs can always be changed. Say the home warranty is $450. Not $500. You can enter any number on the fly. Also, say you have a monthly HOA fee. Say the HOA is $350 a month. You input that in this section and it adds to the overall total investment and monthly payment cost. Now, with that information input, it's important that you save your work. For that, go to the top left of the screen. Click on All Options and save this net sheet. You then present this net sheet to the buyer, and if they say they can't afford the home and they prefer to keep their monthly payment around $2,100, you can then make the change on the spot. The CostsFirst program reverse calculates everything and comes up with the purchase price of a home they can afford. Again, you can save this as a new file and provide that opportunity for the buyer. Importantly, your net sheets are saved on the cloud. So if you save on your desktop, you can access the net sheet on your mobile device as well, and then provide that net sheet to the buyer almost instantaneously. With the functionality of the program, you can print, email, and text the net sheets to the buyer as well. You can also provide your client with a loan comparison by clicking on the Loan Comparison tab. The tool gives you different loan amounts for review. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please click on the Contact Us screen and you can call customer support at 1-800-252-8692, or if you prefer to email us, you can do that as well at support@costsfirst.com. That's it for this CostsFirst video. Thanks for watching.